Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is IoT based LPG gas booking and a sensor alert system. So in this project we are using an Arduino Uno R3 and one fire sensor. It is connected with the A3. Gas sensor, it is connected LPG gas MQ2 gas sensor, it is connected to the A2. Alarm 7, 16x2 LCD display and a load cell HS711 and a GPRS modem SIM 800L. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using an bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED, Arduino Uno R3, and here we are using load cell, 5 kg load cell we are using, and HX711, MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor and one fire sensor, alarm, 16x2 LCD display. So here we are using the GSM SIM 800L and here we are connected with the 3 pin, and now I am going to give the power supply. So let's see our app. So website. So here gas sensor, fire sensor and LPG gas empty or full detection. Okay, see the full data. It will show you on the screen. LPG gas sensor, fire sensor and cylinder, date and time. Okay, so now I am going to give the power supply. So LPG gas booking, sensor alert, please remove loads on load cell. Once loads are removed, GSM testing, GSM connected, disable, echo, finding network, GPRS, GPRS main, GPRS came. So now the internet is came. So HTTP load 0.03. Okay, fire alert. So lighting is coming, sunlight. Okay, no problem. Fire alert. So if fire S, then it will say fire S. You will get the email alert. So now I am adding the loads. Okay, so 2 dot it is saying as a full. Okay, full. So we are giving the gas alert. Now I am added the load here 2 kg. You can add books or anything on this load cell. Yeah, full 238. We are getting the email alerts. Okay, so here SMS alert. Okay, and as well as email alerts, LPG gas alert, fire alert. Okay, now I am removing some weight on this. Okay, now I am removing some weight on this 2 kg. Okay, so 2.10, 2 and below. Okay, 1.9. It is saying as a mid. Okay, mid level. Okay, now I am giving load. Okay, no problem. So I am removing some weight on this. Okay, so I will add. Okay, just 0.17 low level. So after 5 counts, after 5th count, it will send the data to our own web page. Okay, after 5 counts it will check the tracking. Once after 5th count, it will send the data to our server. Yeah, low level, cylinder goes to empty, please take action. It will come as a E. Yeah, E. No, so gas is, there is no gas alert, no fire alert, cylinder is empty. Okay, So we are getting the SMS alert. Cylinder as gas is low, please book. Okay, so now we will add load on this. Okay, 1.9 kg. Okay, so now I am going to give fire alert. Okay, main screen, yeah, fire yes, and gas is middle. Okay, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded. Mid level, no fire alert.